unboxings. One is a Chanel makeup travel kit, and I'm so curious on what it looks like. I have not looked at it yet. And I also have a Tory Burch unboxing, and I am so excited about these two pieces. And also on my last video, I wore this. It is a hair piece that I picked up. You guys, I have been loving this. I feel like it just so makes my hair look so much nicer because I just have this little itty bitty ponytail and I feel like it just looks so pretty on me. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about my hairpiece? This is the first hairpiece that I've ever owned. At the mall, there's this Asian woman, Korean sweet woman that owns a little cart out there, and she sells these, and she's been out there since I could remember, you guys. I don't know if it was like my late 20s or what, but now I'm 51 and I've seen her out there for a long time. I don't know if I was in my 30s or what, but she's still there. So, I mean, it is so pretty and it matches my hair perfectly. So anyways, you guys, if you're interested in my makeup travel kit, now this is like an all-in-one. So if you guys are traveling and you don't want to carry too many things, and this is the color that you know you want to wear, this thing here, I'm assuming, because I haven't looked at it yet, is really going to help me because we own a condo at the beach, and sometimes I just don't want to bring everything. And I do want to own two different travel kits. I want to own a darker one and a lighter one. And they mailed it to me because I didn't go shopping for it. I ordered it on the Chanel website because they didn't have it at Saks or Neiman Marcus. Sorry, I am so stressed. I've been working. So excuse me. Okay, so now that I'm rambling on, this is the box that it came in. So this is the makeup travel kit that I bought. I just didn't want to carry and have to worry about, oh, am I missing this? Oh, am I missing that? So they did wonderful packaging. One thing I like about buying from the Chanel website is that you can always pick out two little things that you want. Look at this. Look what they did here. So here is, so I'm assuming these are my two little freebies. And here is my makeup kit. Let me go ahead and open it and see what it looks like on the inside. This is something that I've kind of been wanting for a while, especially since the last time when I went to the beach, it was such a hassle. I felt like I just got too many, took too many things with me. It comes in this really pretty velvet, has elastic. Okay, it's not as big as I thought it was going to be, which is perfect because I don't want anything big when I go to the beach often, because we do go out and sometimes go to bars, but of course lately we can't do any of that. Okay, so here is the beautiful Chanel. Let's see what it looks like. I'm kind of excited. I don't even know how to open it. Okay, I'm really excited about this. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, this is so pretty. Look at this. Look at this travel kit. So the two bottoms on this side and this side is lipstick. This one is blush, that one's bronzer, and the rest is eyeshadow. And it comes with a little brush, so you don't have to worry about bringing it. Comes with three other brushes down here. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love it. And a beautiful makeup palette. The colors are just neutral, just like how I like it, especially when you're going to the beach. So the only thing I need to take is my BB foundation and mascara. I think they even gave me mascara. They gave me mascara because that's one of the free gifts that I got. This is just such a perfect travel kit. I am so loving this, you guys. I think this cost me $100, $100, yeah. And then with tax, of course, there's going to be tax added onto there. But stunning, stunning, stunning. Love it. And Pink Butterfly, I do want to thank you for the eyeshadow you got me. I'm going to thank you again because I've been wearing that. I'm not wearing it today, but I wore it for a whole week and I love the colors in that. It's just so beautiful. It's just such a beautiful color. So I do want to thank you once again. And this, I just thought of it just now because of my palette here. But you guys, I'm This is just so stunning. I'm very, very, very happy with it. And I think the price is definitely worth it to me. I will go ahead and link that down below so you guys can check it out on the website, because I think it's just on the Chanel website. Okay, so the free gift that I chose, I always get their mascara no matter what, because it's just nice to have when you travel as well. And I got the Coco Mademoiselle perfume. My husband hates Coco Mademoiselle. He cannot stand patchouli, the scent of patchouli. But I usually wear it when he's working because he is a fireman and he's not always home every day. Okay, so that is my Chanel. Okay, my next one. Okay, my next one is my Tory Burch. It came in this box. I also mail ordered it. If I can mail order anything now, I do. I usually love to get out and go find them at the mall, but lately I just don't do that. Okay, so Tory Burch usually packages everything so beautifully. So here is their packaging. They have a little thank you card here, which I think is just so awesome. Okay, you guys, so this is something that I've been wanting since I'm a real estate agent. I have to hop in and out of my car, and sometimes I don't have pockets, and I just need something to carry my keys, just to throw it in there real quick, so I don't have to carry a big bag into these homes. So what I thought about, so I had a big search on a mini bag that would just basically carry my keys, and if I wanted to put a lipstick or whatever in there, but mainly my keys and my credit cards, so I don't leave them in the car, okay? So, it's Tory Burch, you guys. I did buy a Saint Laurent one, this little, but it came and the straps were broken, so I'll put a picture up. It was stunning. It was like $7.95, I think it was. I'm not really sure. If I'm wrong, I'll put the price up anyways. It was the most adorable purse. I really wanted to keep it, but I saw this one after I returned it and decided, you know what? I don't want to spend a lot of money on a tiny bag, even though if it was Saint Laurent. I am so into Saint Laurent right now. Okay, but anyways, I picked up, you guys, it is adorable. It is so adorable. Look at this. Check this out. I mean, look, it is, my hands are little, okay? And this is going to be for my keys when I hop out of my car, when I show homes. And look at that. I can fit my credit card in there. I can fit my keys. I can fit my lipstick. And it comes with this bag here. I am like ooh ah over this piece. Now there's one a neck size up which holds the phone. I don't really need something that holds my phone. I'd rather have it in my hands because sometimes I use my phone to unlock some of the doors because there's like an app that I go on to. And this little piece also comes with a strap. But look, it fits on my wrist really well. So even if I wanted to carry it just like this and then carry my phone, I mean, this is just so adorable. Let me show you. Let me show you that my keys can fit in there. Well, first of all, I want to show you, here is my AirPods. That fits right in there. I'm not going to put my keys, and then here's my lipstick. I'm not going to put my keys and my AirPods in there. So it fits just so. But my whole point of this is just to throw this in there and voila. And then I can attach the straps on. You guys, they have them in, I think, red, brown, and what other colors do they have? Black, I think. I just wanted the cream color. Now this is just something that I'll be using when can't get my straps on, you guys. When I'm doing real estate, because I have a heart. If I'm wearing something with no pockets, I have nowhere to put my keys. So this is just a beautiful piece for me. And let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on. It is so cute. Now here's my Alma BB. This is what I'm using today. Oh, let me show you mine. So there you go. So what I do is I just leave this on me just like this, and I just jump out of my car, and this is what I'm wearing. So I do not have to worry about, because my car is keyless, so I don't have to remove my keys or anything. So I just leave this on, just hop out of my car, lock it, and I'm done. And I don't have to worry about figuring out where to put my keys. But this is, I love this. And this is perfect for date night as well. My cards fit in there just perfect. Let me get some cards out. Now let me tell you, one of these do not fit in there. I've already tried that. So it does not fit well. It will not close at the top because the top part is magnetic, okay? So it does not, I mean, it goes in, but it does not close, and you don't want anything that doesn't close. But I'll just take a few credit cards with me. So let's just say I'm taking 3 credit cards and my driver's license. I'll stick them in here, and then I'll carry the bag that I normally carry for work, whatever it is, and I just go, and there's my keys and my credit card. So I don't have to worry about anything. And here I go, and I just pop out. So I just thought this was the cutest thing. The Saint Laurent bag was pretty close to this side. Let me take this off. You guys can see it. So it is just so adorable. Sometimes you might not use the mini bags a lot, but sometimes you need some in your life. So just thought I'd tell you. Okay, one other thing I got from Tory Burch. I don't know if I want to keep it. I thought it was really pretty and real feminine and just adorable. It comes with a little bag, a little dust bag, which Tory Burch always has cute little dust bags. I could not figure out how to open this when I was at the store one time, and I couldn't figure it out. So, okay, it is this beautiful piece here. I think the lighting's bad, so let me go ahead and switch the light colors. But it's a very light, beautiful pink color. Ah, it's not on. There you go. So I'm going to open this. I don't know, you guys. What do you guys think? I think it's real pretty. Let me take off my David Yurman ones, which are just stunning. These are like my favorite. See that? It's so pretty. My husband got these for me. I have so many David Yurman jewelry. I've sold a few because I just don't wear them as much, but I love them. So anyways, I got this Tory Burch bracelet, and I just think it's so pretty. Okay, you guys, there's my little haul. Tell me what you guys think about this bracelet here. It is cute because it's pink and it's feminine. My little purse here, which I love. You can almost wear it like a necklace. No, not really. It's small. But it is just so cute. This is the perfect piece for me. If you're a real estate agent, you guys, you might need something like this, something tiny. So anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching my channel. I am so excited. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day, and God bless.